In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage users in Asana. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to access your user management options inside your Asana workspace or organization. Let's start from your main Asana screen. This can be any project or your home view. It doesn't really matter where you are. What you're looking for is your profile icon, which is located in the upper right-hand corner of the Asana interface. This icon usually shows either your initials or a small profile photo, depending on how your account is set up. Move your mouse to that top right area and click on your profile icon to open the account menu. When you click your profile icon, a drop-down menu appears. From here, you can get to a few different settings, but what we want is the admin console. Look for the option labeled Admin Console and click on it. If you don't see this option, it usually means you're not an admin for this workspace or organization, so you may need to ask someone with admin permissions to follow these steps instead. Assuming you do have admin access, clicking the admin console will open a new panel or page dedicated to administrative controls. Once the admin console loads, you'll see several tabs or sections that help you configure your account at an organization level. To manage your people, you'll want to go to the Users section. Look for a tab labeled Users and click on it. This area is where you can see the list of members, guests, and sometimes pending invitations associated with your Asana domain, depending on your plan. Inside the Users section, you'll notice each user listed in a table, along with details like their name, email domain, and role. To access more actions for a specific user, move your cursor to that person's row. On the right side, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots to open the available actions for that user. From this menu, you can typically do things like adjust their access, remove them from the organization, or manage their settings, depending on your Asana plan and permissions. Use these options carefully.